My name is Ori Zik, and I'm the CEO of Qnergy. The US have about 350,000 miles of natural gas pipelines. When they leak methane. The way to protect them is to apply current. Now, this current that needs to be applied is sometimes very remote from the grid, so remote that you cannot maintain it. Qnergy is a company that develops and sells generators that are essentially maintenance-free. A conventional internal combustion engine generator requires maintenance about every month. Our generators prefer to be visited once a year, but they don't require maintenance. We use an external heat engine, and because the internal is sealed, you don't need the maintenance. Now, because you heat it from outside, you can use essentially any fuel. Biogas, biomass, natural gas, propane. It can be a huge range of fuels. The main customers that are using it now are gas utilities that are using it to protect their pipelines. And this is important for all of us because methane is a very potent greenhouse gas and we help them prevent these emissions. This year we deployed about 100 generators. We focus commercially on the US, Canada and Mexico, North America, but we have commercial and development partnerships all over the planet.